Assalamu alaikum. Inshallah, in this video, we will be introduced to the rules of noon, sakin, and tanween. So let's look at this. We have noon, sakin, and tanween. So tanween is the double vowels, double fatha, double kasra, double dhamma. That's all tanween. So there are four rules for noon, sakin, and tanween. The first rule is called izhar. And basically, so we have izhar. And izhar, you could say izhar means to make something clear. So what that means is we pronounce the noon clearly. Okay. So the rule is after noon sakin or tanween. So if you have noon sakin or tanween, if right after that we have one of the six letters, hamza, ha, ayn, ha, ghain, or kha, then we pronounce the noon sound clearly. Okay? So an example of this would be something we read every day. That's supposed to be sukun. An'amta. An'amta. So what do we have here? We have noon sakin is here. And right after that we have an ayn. And the ayn is one of the letters. Hamza ha, ayn ha, ghain kha. So that means we have to read the noon clearly. So we wouldn't say an'amta. We wouldn't say an'amta. Just an'amta. Just we read it clearly, normally, and move on. Now let's look at some examples of izhar. So remember, the first thing we look for is noon sakin or tanween. Then and only then is it possible to have izhar. Okay, so we have noon sakin followed by a ta. Is ta from the letters of izhar? The letters of izhar are hamza ha, ayn ha, ghain kha. No, so this is not izhar. We have tanween followed by tha. Tha is not from the letters of izhar. We have tanween followed by waw. Waw is not from the letters of izhar. We have tanween followed by mim. Mim is not from the letters of izhar. Tanween followed by ayn. Hamza ha, ayn ha, ghain kha. Yes, so here we have izhar. So musamman ayn. Okay, musamman. Not man. Not man. Musamman. Okay. Noon sakin followed by dal. That's not from the letters of izhar. Noon sakin followed by ta. That's not from the letters of izhar. Noon sakin followed by hamza. That is from the letters of izhar. So وَمَا تَأْتِيهِم مِّنْ آيَةٍ مِّنْ آيَةٍ. Okay, so min ayah. Not min ayah. Noon sakin followed by hamza. Again, same thing. Min ayah. Noon sakin followed by ha. Hamza ha. So yes, it is from the letters of izhar. إِلَّا كَانُوا عَنْهَا. Not عَنْهَا. Not عَنْهَا. عَنْهَا. And that's it.